Hello and welcome. It's Frank Calabro Jr. Going to do a quick update, going to share some proof, progress, and results, and show you that other people are having insane success with this funnel. This really excites me. And take a look at this post right here. Andre Hunter posted this. Hey, Frank Calabro Jr. So my best friend and I joined through the Cash Now funnel on September 18th. And as of the 29th, we are on the leaderboard. How cool is that? Thank you so much for this opportunity, okay? And I know for certain that the top 5 people on the leaderboard, and it could be all 10, I don't know for certain, but the top 5 are using Cash Now funnel, okay? So maybe you've heard of Cash Now funnel, maybe you have not. If you have heard of it, this is a new version of the Cash Now funnel. I think a lot of people do not understand that the whole thing, I revised the entire thing, the entire system, and I'll give you a preview of the system here in just a moment, okay? And I haven't been doing much marketing myself. I've been moving this month. I moved into a brand new house, and that's what I've been doing, guys, basically the entire month of September. Here it is, October 1st, okay? So I'm going to come back to life myself pretty soon. I still got a bunch of stuff to do around the house, but, I'm getting closer to returning back to marketing, okay? So anyhow, let me give you a preview of this funnel, okay? Like I said, maybe you've seen this funnel before, but you need to take a look at it again, okay? If you set up this funnel in the past and you haven't looked at it recently, go through this funnel again. There's a reason why brand new people are dominating the leaderboard. There's a reason for this, okay? This is called Cash Now funnel for a reason. It's designed to put cash in your pocket now. Period, end of story. That's the purpose of this funnel, okay? Put money in your pocket. Now, there's several landing pages to pick from. I'm just going to show you a couple. These things, we change the looks of these all the time, the wording, the ad copy. So if you see something I show you in this video and you can't find the exact same thing, it's because we changed it, okay? Marketing is an ever-changing thing. So here's an example of one of the landing pages. You get a clone of this system that I'm going to show you, okay? Everything like I talk about will be in the description below. Click on the links. Here's another landing page. You can advertise this one. Here's another, okay? And here's another. Just as an example, okay? Now what happens is someone puts their email in. What's the next thing they see? Right here. Self-replicating system collects cash for you from 5 revenue streams. This video right here is converting like crazy, okay? You might want to watch this video. There's a reason why this funnel, there's a reason why newbies are killing it. There's a reason for this. You might want to figure out that reason by going through this funnel, okay? Because once you go through this funnel, the light bulb's going to go off. You're going to understand why this is working so well, okay? The fastest way to make money now, okay? This is the fastest way to make money right now that I know of, okay? All right, now the only call to action is activate now for $1. So your choice is activate for $1 or activate for $1. Take your pick. Which would you like to do, okay? So once people watch this video, they get super excited and they activate. They hit the continue button, and then we go into the system. Now the system is, I reconfigured the entire thing. All these videos are brand new. I even re-engineered the steps, the order in which we do the steps, okay? This is another reason why this funnel is converting so well, okay? The first thing we do is to show people how to set up their system. They get a clone of this system, and it takes literally 3 minutes to set this up. It takes me 15 minutes to teach what takes you 3 minutes to do, because I got to go slow for new people. I got to go slow for brand new marketers. Maybe these people are brand new, have never marketed before in their lives, and they're on the leaderboard. So I have to go slow in the video to teach them how to set up the system. I make sure that everything is crystal clear in your mind and you understand what you're doing when you go through this process. The share code is right here. The share code is inside of the funnel. This is what you call a self-replicating funnel. I think I invented this. I'm pretty sure I did. I didn't invent share funnels. I think Neil Guess and Michael Price came up with that. But I came up with self-replicating systems. I think I was the first person in the world to do this. As far as I know, I am. And it's a reason why I dominated the affiliate marketing space for a number of years before I retired, is because this system self-replicates, meaning I don't need to get on a Zoom call and hold someone's hand and teach them how to set this up. The system teaches it. So you pass this on to the next person, and guess what? They set up this system without your help. That person then in return advertises this funnel, and they have people that sign up and set up their system without you helping. That's the whole purpose of self-replicating funnels. This is how we kill it, guys. Okay. Then we get into step 2. Activate your revenue streams. There's 5 revenue streams inside of this system. Okay. I'll show you the big money, guys. I made $1 million. I made $1 million from this one strategy. Frankie, how did you make $1 million? Watch this video. I teach you step by step by step. I break down the numbers. I break down everything. I will teach you stuff inside this video that nobody has ever taught you before. Go through this video. I'll teach you guys some stuff about affiliate marketing. Yeah, you'll know that you'll have this mastered by the time you go through this funnel. Step 3, we get into the fundamentals of traffic. Show you how to get traffic to your landing page right now, immediately today. Okay. Then we got a login screen. It goes straight to just a shortcut to go to the login screen. Okay. And then we got Facebook group right here. And then we got another call to action, activate now for $1. Okay. And of course, when they activate for $1, you get the sign up. You get the credit. You make the enrollment. Okay. Over here in step 2, when people activate their revenue streams, you get paid. Not me. You get paid. Yeah, this is your funnel. This is your system. This is your success. These people right here are having insane success. And listen, anybody can use this funnel. I don't care if you're in my genealogy or not. My team is the whole world. Okay, that's my team. Okay, my team isn't only the people that I directly sponsor. No. My team is everybody on planet Earth. That's my team, guys. Okay, so if you're on my team, if you're on planet Earth, you're on my team. You can use my funnel. Okay, all right, guys, real simple. Click below in the description. Get access to this funnel. This funnel is amazing. It is awesome. It is incredible. Newbies are having success with this funnel. You might want to find out why they're crushing it. Why are they killing it? Well, we call this Cash Now Funnel for a reason. And you're about to learn what Cash Now Funnel is all about. Click the link below in the description. We'll talk again soon. Frank Calabro Jr. signing off. Thank you.